Hi guys, uh, welcome again. I had some technical issues, uh, but I think I have solved it now. So today it's November 13, 2020, and today we're gonna talk about an electric vehicle solution on the blockchain, a car insurance sales agent on the blockchain, and Deutsche Bank supports the crypto. Let's start with the financials, with the price of the cryptos. Uh, Today yesterday we saw Bitcoin to broke the 16K level, and today it stands above that level. Uh, Ethereum 467 US dollars, Litecoin 60, almost $65. So let's see what happens this week with the cryptos, because uh, Bitcoin has been rising all this week, and I hope it gets to the 18K, but I don't know. Remember, this is not financial advisory, so this is only my opinion. So let's start with the news. A blockchain-based electric vehicle charging trial gets 1 million from Canadian government. A bi-directional charging scenario allows vehicle owners to sell excess power back to office buildings at a profit. A 3-year pilot scheme for innovative blockchain-based electric vehicle charging platform has received 1 million in funding from Natural Resources Canada, a department of the country's government. The scheme promises to reduce the cost of electric vehicle charging transactions and enhance power grid efficiency. According to an article on the Independent Electric Autonomy Canada platform, the pilot will take place at two multi-tenanted office buildings in downtown Toronto, and is run by electric vehicle charging platform Switch Energy and intelligent energy software developer Opus One Solutions. The innovation comes through the understanding that electric vehicles aren't just alternatively powered cars, but batteries on wheels. This allows them to be used in a bidirectional charging scenario, whereby they are charged up overnight using cheap electricity and can then supply excess power to the building at peak times during the day. The car owners are then credited for the power they provide based on the ongoing competitive price of electricity. Blockchain is used to keep an automated ledger of transactions. This technique can be used to stabilize the requirements placed on the power grid and smooth out fluctuations in the provision of renewable energy sources, as Switch CEO Carter Lee explained. You are going to have an abundance of battery reserve storage that is just sitting there. Most people only drive the vehicles 10% of the time. You use these electric vehicles to reduce peak energy demand. As Cointelegraph reported last month, General Motors and Honda have also been working with blockchain technology and electric vehicles to store excess energy produced by renewable sources, publishing a global standard on how such a network might function. So this goes in the line with solutions like Elon Musk company Solar City and Tesla. You know, Elon Musk has a company named Solar City that makes solar roofs, and then he has also his Tesla company for their cars. He has been implementing this kind of solution for charging the batteries with renewable energy, charging the batteries of the Tesla cars. But with these kind of solutions of the on the blockchain, you can also manage all the consumption and generation of your roof. If you have this kind of solution, you can account the energy you produce and also the energy you consume, and you can place it on the blockchain that accounts. So it will be amazing if these kind of solutions partners with Tesla and Solar City. I think it will be uh, awesome for the for those companies. So it seems it has not alliances with some companies, but I think these companies, Switch Energy, must talk with Musk, with Elon Musk, to make alliances and just connect the dots to maybe, who knows, in the future, all the energy can be from natural resources. So let's start with the second news, with the second article. Your car insurance salesman is now an artificial intelligence bot connected to the blockchain. A new virtual assistant powered by blockchain can complete insurance contracts without human assistance. Malta-based virtual assistant firm Biot has integrated IBM's Watson Assistant with the Cosmos blockchain to sell car insurance. The new platform features an end-to-end sales process that does not require human assistance to complete the car insurance contracts. The mobile app interacts with customers via voice or text, initially asking a series of questions to identify and suggest insurance options. Once signed, the contract is stored on the Cosmos SDK in the form of a smart contract underpinned by the Tendermint protocol. The AI monitors the deal and automatically begins the insurance coverage once the payment goes through. Although multiple providers have experimented with voice assistants to aid the selling process, the announcement claims that none have been able to offer the service as an end-to-end solution that includes the actual sales process. Bayot CEO Christoph Surwold stated, "The opportunities that come with AI on cloud and blockchain technologies allow companies from the insurance and insurtech sectors to digitalize and improve their current processes, and we are confident our solutions will jumpstart this transformation." IBM Watson, an AI computer system capable of answering questions posed in natural language developed by IBM's DeepQA project. The system was named after IBM founder and first CEO Thomas J. Watson. In September, Bayot raised $5.9 million in a private sale, offering 30% of Bay AI tokens to investors. Surwold explained that the funds will be used to help deliver a product that can transform how businesses conduct their processes, with the firm focusing on utilizing blockchain to aid in the legal processes. Last month, Bayot received approval by the Malta Financial Services Authority as the first firm to offer a regulated digital asset in the form of its Bay AI token. The firm also plans to hold a public sale later this year, offering investors 2% of the Bay AI token supply. Malta is among the first countries to implement a comprehensive regulatory framework for initial coin offerings, with blockchain assets being classed as either financial instruments, e-money, virtual tokens, or virtual financial assets. The sale will be offered under the Virtual Financial Assets Act and will be one of the first initial virtual assets offerings. The Bay AI token will be used to incentivize users to utilize Bayot's solutions in the form of a rewards program and payment for goods and services offered within the program. Last month, IBM Watson was also incorporated into a digital health pass called IBM Watson Health. The blockchain-based solution is designed to help organizations enable individuals to return to work or school during the pandemic. So as you see, guys, these insurance firms are betting for the blockchain technology. I think this technology it's very fit for them, because this kind of industry, it's located in islands like Bahamas, where it's like a financial paradise. So imagine they are betting for all their salesman people or employees to work to be just bots in the blockchain. So this means they will have no employees, and all their earnings could be acquainted on that paradise, on that countries. So this fits very well for this kind of companies that are located offshore. So you also see this very interesting joint of technologies, blockchain and AI, that can be joined in decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAO. So they will manage all the funds and automatically with the aid of artificial intelligence. I think it's very promising. This we must watch this kind of initiatives. So let's start with the third news. Deutsche Bank central bank digital currency will replace cash. Well, Deutsche Bank says central bank digital currency will replace cash in the long term. So basically, they are also betting for CBDC. We are starting to see big interest from the big banks. The last episode of this channel, we see the central bank of one of the top banks of China issuing bonds on the blockchain. And now we see Deutsche Bank, that is one of the top banks of Europe, if not the top of Europe, saying the central bank digital currency will replace cash in the long term. So Deutsche Bank has called on Europe to accelerate the development of central bank digital currencies. Deutsche Bank, the largest banking institution in Germany, is confident that the central bank digital currencies or CBDCs will replace cash in the future. The bank's research arm, Deutsche Bank Research, published a new report on economic estimations and proposals to assist global economies hit by the coronavirus pandemic, titled What We Must Do to Rebuild. The study was released on November 10. In the report, Deutsche Bank states that the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated the digital cash revolution. According to the bank, this revolution will eventually enable CBDCs like China Digital Yuan or Sweden's e-krona to replace cash in the long term. Deutsche Bank called on national governments and private companies to work on alternatives to credit cards, stating, Worldwide lockdowns and social distancing measures have only increased the use of cards over cash. To respond, companies and policymakers must design alternatives to credit cards and remove middleman fees. For now, the priority must be on regional digital payment systems. In the long term, central bank digital currencies will replace cash. In their report, Deutsche Bank Research also warned European policymakers about the risk of not developing their own digital currency project in response to China and Sweden's active progress in the field. The bank argued that lagging behind other jurisdictions might force the adoption of policies by first movers. If other countries do not catch up, they may find that their companies are forced to adopt the digital currencies and policies of other countries as payment mediums. The bank called on Europe to develop a digital currency solution in order to strengthen the euro and in the existing geopolitical situation. To do this, we must have an independent European payment solution. Deutsche Bank Research Group. While Deutsche Bank is pushing for the accelerated development of a global digital currency development, a number of countries are in no hurry to issue a CBDC. In October 2020, Jerome Powell of the United States Federal Reserve declared that the US is not worried about other countries getting a first mover advantage when it comes to issuing CBDC. They should. The Fed chairman said that the US government will not make a decision on issuing the digital dollar until CBDC associated risks like cyber attacks and privacy are resolved. Officials in New Zealand and Russia have expressed a similar stance, stating that they would rather take wait and see approach. So, as you see, the initiatives are coming from the commercial banks, big commercial banks like this Deutsche Bank, but not from the central banks. Not from the central bank that I will say the central banks will be the ones that must be worried about other countries like China to issue central bank digital currencies. But the initiatives are coming from the commercial banks. Deutsche Bank, as it says, is the top bank in Europe from Germany. So let's hope that Deutsche Bank can push this initiative for a central bank digital currency for the Eurozone. Let's see what happens with these initiatives from Deutsche Bank. If the Eurozone hears what Deutsche Bank is saying, is proposing. So that's all, guys. So thank you for listening this, for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you don't like, thumbs down. If you find useful this info, please share it to grow the community on this channel. And thank you, guys. See you next episode. Bye.